In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split issues in Jira, a step-by-step guide designed to help you manage your projects more effectively. Splitting issues in Jira is a helpful way to break down large tasks into more manageable pieces, and it's a great feature when you're looking to distribute workload or address specific components of a task separately. First, you'll want to navigate to the project you're currently working on. This is where you'll be focusing your efforts to refine your task management skills. Once you're in your project, make your way to the backlog. You can usually find the backlog menu on the left side of your screen, and it's here that your list of issues will be displayed. Now, as you look through your backlog, hover your mouse over the specific issue you wish to split. This action will reveal a few interactive options around the issue itself. At this point, focus your attention to the three dots located on the right hand side of the issue. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop down menu, and from this menu select the option labelled Split Issue. Selecting Split Issue will prompt a new window, allowing you to create new, smaller issues derived from the original. This window is where you'll begin breaking down the task into more focused, actionable items. It's time to give each new issue a descriptive name. Naming your issues clearly and specifically is key to ensuring everyone involved understands the purpose and scope of each task. It's helpful to think about the main objective for each issue and reflect that in the title you select. After you've named your issues, there's an optional step you can take which involves entering estimate points. These points can be valuable for planning and resource allocation, as they provide a quantifiable measure of effort or time needed to complete each new issue. As you go through these steps, you may realize there's a need to add more splits. In that case, Jira provides an easy way to do this. Simply click Add Another if you want to further break down the issue into additional parts. It allows for flexibility and thoroughness in task management, giving you the ability to fine-tune your workload distribution as needed. Once you're satisfied with the number of splits and how the issues are named and estimated, you can move forward by clicking on Split to finalize your work. This step confirms the creation of your new, distinct issues and acknowledges their alignment with the broader goals of your project. With these new, more specific issues, you'll have a more efficient way to track progress and distribute work across team members. Splitting issues in Jira can greatly enhance your team's ability to focus on detailed tasks without losing sight of the overarching project goals.